Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate donor fund setup with Schwab Charitable step by step clearly. To activate donor fund setup with Schwab Charitable, begin by visiting the Schwab Charitable website. Log into your Schwab account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, click on the option to create a new account. Once logged in, locate the Donor Advised Funds section on the homepage. Click on the link to initiate the donor fund setup process. You will be presented with an overview of donor advised funds. Read the information carefully to understand the benefits and responsibilities. Next, find the button that says Open a Donor Fund. Click on this button to begin filling out the application. You will be asked to provide personal information, such as your name and address. Ensure that all information is accurate before proceeding. After completing the personal information section, move on to the funding method. Decide how you wish to fund your donor advised fund. You may choose to transfer assets or contribute cash. Follow the prompts to input your chosen funding details. Next, review the fund information, which includes naming your fund. Choose a name that reflects your philanthropic goals. Once you've named your fund, you'll need to review the policies and agreements. Make sure you read through all terms and conditions. You may need to confirm your agreement to these terms. After agreeing to the terms, you can submit your application. Await confirmation from Schwab Charitable regarding your fund setup. Check your email for instructions on how to manage your donor advised fund. Once activated, you can start recommending grants to your chosen charities. Review your donor fund periodically to ensure it aligns with your giving goals. Feel free to reach out to Schwab Charitable's customer service with any questions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.